Welcome to Wonder Wings. You're still with me on this exciting journey around the globe. And today, a new adventure awaits. We've just left Asia and flew into Tanzania, landing on a small island off the coast, Zanzibar. It's been a year since we embarked on the grandest journey of our lives, exploring wonders in every continent. After road tripping through Australia and marveling at the beauty of the Philippines, we headed to Zanzibar, taking a flight journey from neighboring Ethiopia. Upon arriving in Zanzibar, we hailed a taxi and made our way to a remote paradise. Zanzibar is a globally renowned tourist destination with a wide range of accommodations to choose from. We opted for a place a bit off the beaten track in the southwestern part of the island, near a small village called Kisimkazi. Here we stayed at Bella Vista Resort, a beautiful garden with a pool and ocean view, surrounded by local fishermen. The first thing that greeted us was the stunning view. Kisimkazi might seem secluded, but it's actually the heart of local life. Dembani Beach, right in front of our hotel, is the perfect spot for a first taste of Zanzibar, with its mix of local life, beautiful beaches, and azure waters. Zanzibar is Africa's most famous island, spanning about 2,700 square kilometers. Colonized by the Portuguese, Arabs, and British, it's now part of Tanzania. The majority of the inhabitants are Muslim and very friendly with tourists. We decided to explore the island a bit more, so we rented a car and headed east. First stop, Jambiani, a place with many boutiques and beaches where kids play and adults kitesurf thanks to the steady winds. Then we moved further north to Paje, a town with beach bars, kite surfing, and crystal clear waters. I decided to take a plunge here with my family. From above, you can see how popular kite surfing is in Zanzibar. Back at the resort, we realized how unique and peaceful our place was. However, we still had a lot to explore, so we decided to drive 80 kilometers north to Nungwi Beach, one of the island's most beautiful beaches. It wasn't easy to find a parking spot, but we finally found a place at the Hilton where we were allowed to park in exchange for a few drinks or lunch. Nungwi Beach is truly a paradise with white sand and crystal clear waters. Here, we spent the day relaxing, taking photos, and sipping on my new favorite drink, Stony Tangawizi, a type of African ginger beer. The northern part of the island is different from the south, more luxurious and frequented by honeymoon travelers. The following day, we decided to explore the southern part of Zanzibar. We visited Matende Beach, a hidden beach among the rocks and baobabs. It was incredibly beautiful and peaceful. To sum up, Zanzibar is a magical island with a blend of cultures, beautiful beaches, and friendly locals. From kite surfing in Paje to relaxing in the secluded Matende Beach, every experience was memorable. This journey has been a testament to the beauty that lies in every corner of the world, waiting to be explored. And as always, the journey continues. See you next episode. Don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next travel tip as we explore our beautiful planet. You don't want to miss it, do you? So go ahead, do it now, and get ready for the adventure.